Hello and welcome back. So today we've got something from the Royal Mint. So a new coin came out. I purchased the silver proof, which I'm going to show you. There is something in here that's not for me. I'm sending it on to someone else. But without further ado, should we get into this box? So there we go. We've got these little peanuts. We've got the coin. I've got a couple of extra bits. I got a couple of extra 10p books because we're getting close to finishing some of the books. So I thought it prudent to get that. And we got the bunk one. So what is it then? It is the 50th anniversary of the 50p, which is a 2019 Britannia, which you might think, we've already got that at the start of the year. But it's got this little mark here and this little mark on this corner, which signifies it's a little bit different. And this is the new Strike Your Own, which I'll be going on the 12th of October. So if you're planning your trip to the Royal Mint, or if you're in the area, do come along and say hi. There's a whole bunch of people that have said they're coming along. So it's 50 years of the 50p anniversary coin. Pretty neat. It's quite neat design as well. I quite like that. And we've got the silver proof. What does it say? Anything? 50 years of 50p, 2019 UK 50p silver proof. Quite low mintage as well. I almost missed it as well. Bit of damage on the box, but oh well. Released in 1969 in readiness for the decimal switchover. Over the course of the last 50 years, the 50p has become one of Britain's favourite coins, engineered to perfection. The world's first 7-sided coin has stood the test of time, inspiring mints around the world to follow suit with similar designs. Pretty cool. So we've got a little pamphlet. Have a quick glance through it. See if it mentions the mint mark on it. I don't think so. This is Christopher Ironside. You got the design for the Ironside 50p as well. There we go. The coin bears special marks recognizing the engineering process. On the outer rim of the reverse, the letter A to G appear on each point and are joined by arced crossing lines. A minting first on a 50p. There we go. There it is. There is a secondary mark on the reverse, a spirograph type design drawn from an extension of lines forming the 50p shape. Oh, I see. So, can you zoom in any further? As you can see there, the little 50p shape in the middle there. It's quite neat. We'll have a look at that on the coin itself. Right. Well, there we go. There it is, and it's all its glory. And you can see the little mint mark down there by the 50. That's pretty cool. There's the reverse. Pretty cool. Well, I like that. But I believe it's quite a low mintage as well. So I got number 2639 of 3,500. Wow. So it looks like I was pretty close to missing out on it, but there we go. Pretty nice coin. And yeah, so I've got the bunk, the silver proof, and I get the Strike Your Own at the end of the month. So I'm excited to go to Royal Mint to get the Strike Your Own. It's a bit of a shame that it's not a cool design. Or a cooler design, because we've already got 2019 Britannia, but it's got that little mint mark, and obsessive collectors like me will pay for that. But it is changing again 2 more times before the end of the year, so who knows what it's going to be. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think the next Strike Your Own is going to be? There's still time for us to get a Strike Your Own Kew Gardens. 50 years of the 50p, 10 years, a decade of the Kew Gardens, maybe, just maybe, they'll listen to us and give us what we want. But anyway, as ever, all that leaves me to do is thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you next time for more coins. Bye!